Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Vidyard account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make a Vidyard video private? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make a Vidyard video private anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your videos are internal or only for your company. And by making them private, someone's going to have to put a password in to be able to actually view the video, not just anyone with the general link. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Vidyard account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and make a video private, and here on the left side, you're going to click on library. Once you do that, you'll see all the videos you have in Vidyard. Once you found the video that you want to make private, here to the right, you're going to see these three little dots. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu and click on edit. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this left menu. And to make this video private, you're going to click on this button here called sharing. Once you do that, you want to click on this button here called access. Okay, so as you can see, this video, anyone with the link is going to be able to see the video. And to make it private, you're going to click here on change. Okay, once you do that, you're going to have all these different options. So if you have an upgraded plan, you can set viewers to only within a specific IP address. I have one of the more basic plans. So to make this video private, I'm going to click here, anyone with a password, and then I'm going to click on update. Okay, now the video is private. Only people with a password are going to be able to see this video. So we need to go ahead and add a password. Okay, here with the password, we can go ahead and add that here. Okay, added a password here, and then here you can set an expiration date if you want. So maybe I'm only going to give access to this person for, let's say, 7 days. And you can also set an expiration on how many uses. So maybe they can only view it 3 different times. And then you're going to click on save. Once you click on save, you're going to see password successfully added. So now this video is private. Only folks with this particular password before this date, and that password can only be used 3 times for that particular video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to make a Vidyard video private, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.